Thank you for purchasing our formicarium. Welcome to the video tutorial on how to assemble and prepare a formicarium for moving ants. In the box you will find card with instructions, test tube, pipette, pair of tweezers, bag of terroristic sand, bag with accessories, nest module, and arena module. If you plan to move a small ant colony, queen and 15 to 20 workers into the formicarium, or if you just wanna use our barrier system and gradual next expansion, follow the instructions below. Remove the red glass from the nest module. Turn the module towards the arena so that the small dot on the top of the nest faces the arena entrance. Remove the plugs from the side of the modules you will be connecting together. Slide the modules together and secure with the connectors. Now we will move to the barriers. Prepare two closed barriers and insert them into the slots in the glass of the nest module. This will only give the ants access to the first two chambers, and when the colony grows, simply replace the first closed barrier with an open one. This will give the ants access to the next part of the module and at the same time fill the opening in the glass to prevent the ants from escaping. If you have the modules connected and the barriers in the slots, it's time to prepare the formicarium for the ants. The first thing to do is fill the nest module with water. The nest module has a water chamber built under the nest. These two openings are used to refill the water. Use a pipette to fill the nest module with water. The moisture from the water chamber will permeate through the miniature grids into the nest and create a comfortable environment for your ants. The amount of water depends on your preferred ant species. Some species require less moisture, others more. As you will be adding more and more water, the water level indicator in this hole will gradually extend. When the tip of the indicator is at the same height as the cover glass, the module is full of water. Do not overfill the water chamber. Water could flow through the wetting grids into the ant nest and flood your colony. It is better to add water more frequently and in smaller doses. The nest module is ready. You can put on the red cover glass. Now let's move on to the arena module. Remove the top glass of the arena and pour a bag of natural sand suitable for terrariums into the arena. Now we will prepare a water source. Prepare a test tube and a piece of cotton wool. Fill the test tube with water. Then seal the test tube with a piece of cotton wool. Place the drinking water source in the arena and keep the water in it at all time. Without water source, your colony will die very soon. Let's move on to the food. First, we prepare a source of carbohydrates for the ants. The majority of species wouldn't despise sugar water or honey water. Mixture of water and sugar or honey mixed one by one. Prepare one of the variants. Take apart the feeder and fill the bottle with this mixture. In this case, honey water. Then place the feeder on the bottle, carefully turn it upside down and place it into the arena. Last thing to do is to prepare the protein source. Some species are satisfied with a mixture of seeds, others with insects. In our case, we will serve a mealworm to the ants in a prepared food bowl. We also place the food bowl in the arena. Finally, we cover the arena with the top glass. The formicarium is now ready for the ants. Simply take the tube with the ants and place them in the arena. The ants will explore the formicarium and migrate into the nest. The moving may take only few days, but sometimes it can take weeks. So be patient and do not stress the ants unnecessarily, and do not forcefully move them. They know best where they are comfortable. If the ants still do not move after a few weeks, try to adjust the humidity in the nest module. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us by email or on social media. We will be happy to help you. We wish you much success and joy with ant keeping.